dear students. Hope you all are doing well. In the last class, we were discussing about the chapter, The Book of Nature, written by Jawaharlal Nehru. We stopped with the third paragraph, and today we will get into the next paragraph. Before that, let me ask you a few questions to evaluate your understanding. My first question is, what is Nehru trying to tell his daughter? Yes, Nehru was trying to tell his daughter all about the story of our earth. Very good. And coming to the next question, what does Nehru mean by reading the Book of Nature? Yes, by reading the Book of Nature, Nehru means observing the nature and interacting with it. Very good. Now take out your textbook and listen carefully. Okay?
You will, I hope, soon begin to learn how to read the story from the rocks and mountains. Imagine how fascinating it is. Every little stone that you see lying on the road or on the mountain side may be a little page in nature's book and may be able to tell you something if you only knew how to read it. To be able to read any language, Hindi or Urdu or English, you have to learn its alphabets. So also, you must learn the alphabet of nature before you can read her story in her books of stone and rock. Even now, perhaps you know a little how to read this.
Okay, now let me ask you some questions.
What are the pages and alphabets of nature according to Nehru? According to Nehru, the stones, rocks, rivers, seas, etc. are the different pages of nature, and one must learn the alphabet of nature in order to read these pages.
Now it's your turn to read the text silently. While reading the text, don't forget to underline the unknown words, okay? Now tell me the difficult words that you underlined.
Fascinating, having interesting qualities. മോഹിപ്പിക്കുക, മനം കവരുക. For example, it was a fascinating place. Then coming to the next word, mountain side. What can you see in this picture? Yes, the sloping side of mountain. So mountain side means the sloping side of mountains.
Now I will explain it for you. Here Nehru says that the little stones, mountains, rivers, seas are all the different pages in the book of nature. And in order to read these pages, one must learn the alphabet of nature. Now, I will give you an activity.
Here is your activity. Write a description about nature. Do you know how to write a description? Okay. While writing a description, firstly, you should give a title. Then you should include things like how nature looks like, how nature feels, etc.
And I hope you understand today's class, and we will meet in the next class. Thank you.